How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply fix the Insta Mini 12 stuck on S. Now, this is a really simple fix, so I suggest we jump onto it. Now, basically, it will go ahead and look something like this when it's stuck on the S icon. And the number one reason is the battery. Basically, you just want to get yourself a new battery. I suggest getting yourself the branded ones like Energizer, maybe some alkaline battery or Duracell battery. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually turn on the camera. From there, you want to take out the batteries and wait for at least 15 seconds or 20 seconds to completely drain out the circuit. You then want to turn the camera off, and then this is where it is most important. You want to put in alkaline batteries, Energizer batteries or Duracell batteries, and just go ahead and see which one works. Basically, alkaline work for others, Energizer work for others, and lastly, Duracell batteries work for others. Turn the camera on, and from there, you're basically good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.